I told you that you can earn $300 to $400 per month using AI? You've probably seen these kinds of ads on many websites. When viewers like us visit or click on them, the website owners earn money through Google Ads. And today, we're using the exact money-making strategy by creating our own blog website with Google's Blogger.com using AI in just 5 minutes. And the best part? It's completely free. Now, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process so you can do it too. First, go to Blogger.com, then click on Create Your Blog. Enter your blog title. For example, since my blog website is related to aquatic life, I chose a title that fits my niche, then click Next. Here's the crucial part. Choose your blog address. This will appear as your name.blogspot.com. Keep in mind, this cannot be changed later. After that, click Next, set your display name, and click Finish. That's it, your free blog website is now live. You can view it by clicking on View Blog to see your new website with the address you just created. If your website design doesn't look good, don't worry, you can easily customize it using the Theme section by choosing from a collection of free templates to enhance its appearance. When you check the Post section, you'll notice that there's no content yet, it's completely empty. So, if you want to make money through your blog website, you definitely need to add some content. To do that, simply click on New Post to begin. This will open the editor to add our content. You might think it's easy to generate content using ChatGPT or other AI tools, but here's an important warning. Google AdSense usually don't approve blogs with purely AI-generated content. Even if you apply 100 times, your blog might still get rejected. That's because Google requires high-quality, original content written with a human touch. But don't worry, I have a great idea to solve this problem. So, let's see that in the next step. Okay, first let's generate some piece of content using ChatGPT. For example, let's ask it to give us content about mysterious facts about underwater coral reefs for my blog post. Then, go and click Create. So, it started generating. Here's my small advice. Usually, I don't recommend choosing content similar to mine. Instead, go to Google Trends and find a trending topic. This strategy helps get more views, and more views mean more revenue. Keep that in mind. Finally, we've got our content, and we all know it's AI generated. So, in the next step, let's convert this into human-generated content. Okay, let's convert our content to human-like text. To do that, visit a website called AI Detector Pro using the link in my description. This tool helps you identify and convert AI-generated content into human-readable text. So, personally, I've used this AI tool for my college research articles to simplify my task. That's why I'm recommending it to you. Now, let me give you a quick demo of how it works. Click on New AI Scan, then copy and paste the content you got from ChatGPT. Click Analyze, and then select OK. Oh my god. Look at that, it has detected over 98% of the content as AI generated. Now click the report to open and scroll down. You'll see that almost every sentence is marked as fully AI generated. It looks pretty bad, and Google definitely won't approve content like this. They also provide detailed statistics and grammar analysis, but we don't need to go deep into that right now. But don't worry, we can easily humanize this content in just a few seconds. Scroll up and click on Open with AI Eraser. Once you're in, click Humanize Document. Once again, click OK, and that's it. We've successfully converted our AI content into human-like writing. To verify, click Rescan the document. Now look, the content is labeled as Human Converted. You can now copy it using the clipboard option. If you don't know what a clipboard is, it's simply a temporary storage area for copied content. To view what you've copied, press Windows plus V. You'll see your content stored in the clipboard. Now all you have to do is paste it directly onto your blog or website by pressing Ctrl plus V. Okay, our content is already ready. Now, let's make the post more attractive and engaging using the above options. First, include a title, and then insert an image by clicking the Insert option. You need to present your post in a way that's both readable and visually appealing to impress our viewers. Make sure to use the above options to make sentences bold or italic in the suitable sentences for better emphasis. Also, if you have a YouTube channel, insert a YouTube link. Just select the text, click the Insert icon, and add the YouTube link. That's it. Now, you can preview the post by clicking the Preview option. Now our post looks cool. Once everything looks perfect, click Publish and then select Confirm. And just like that, your post is now live on the internet. You can check how many views you've received by clicking the Stats option. Right now, there may not be any views yet since we just published the post. Everything I've shared so far is just to give you a basic idea. But I've also included a detailed guide covering all the rules and regulations, like how many posts to publish, how many words to use, what kind of content to avoid, and so on. Please make sure to read the guide carefully before creating your post. Once you're confident you're following all the guidelines, you can apply for AdSense and start making money. So, that's all for today. I'll be back with another exciting AI tool in the next video.